Tonight on Survival Cooking, I have Sweet Sue chunk white chicken and all these French style green beans, and I cleaned out my cup pretty much. Okay, I've got Miracle Whip to put on the chicken, and I've got Colby Jack cheese to put on top of the chicken and on top of the Miracle Whip, and then the green beans that goes on top of everything, and of course a piece of American cheese at the top. So I'm going to assemble this. Oh, on screen, okay. This is really weird because the image on the phone is about a half a second later than what I'm actually doing. So it makes me out of sync with out of sync with reality. Now I usually let the amount of foods that I have determine what I'm going to have. So I had 2 of the chicken and I only had 1 of everything else. So I took the chicken. And the green beans were extra, so I took the green beans too. So that adds a little bit of randomity. You don't have to think so much about what you're going to cook. You just take what you got most of and throw it together, because it's all going to taste pretty good. Alright, I'm going to put some Miracle Whip in there. Let me see if I can do this in real time. Has 1 forkful and 2 forkful. This is actually Miracle Whip, not the salad dressing type of Miracle Whip. And disappointingly, there are no actual whips in the jar of Miracle Whip. Alright, I'm going to grab me a handful of cheese and put in here. A handful. I'm going to have another pinch. Oh, it's a big pinch. Okay, tamp that down in there. Okay, and here comes the green beans. Pour it in there. I have to switch between looking at it directly and looking at the screen to make sure I'm still pointed at it, because it's just too weird to just stay looking at the screen. I am not a videographer. I like to take pictures. I don't like to be in the pictures. I really don't like to talk on the pictures, but I just want to get this all on video, so it'll help you out in your culinary endeavors. Okay, I'm going to put this up in the microwave for a minute and put you on pause, and I'm going to put it in for another minute and put you on pause and put it in for another minute. Yeah, you know the drill. It takes about 3 minutes in this 700 watt microwave. So when you get to doing this in your dorm or your apartment or wherever you're at doing this, it's going to take you longer or shorter time to do it. Okay, I'm going to put you on pause. Alright, here goes another minute. And another minute. Okay, yeah. That's hot enough to put the American cheese in. Here is American cheese. America, America. God shed his waste on thee and hides the pines with billboard signs from sea to oily sea. Okay, another minute to go. And there we have the chicken, cheese, and green beans survival dinner. And I'm going to tear into it. Good night.